Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case this is the first time here, my name is Taz Shiko and you're so very much welcome. So as you can see, my hair is looking really bad. So in this video, I'm going to be styling it with you and I'm going to be using some tips that I learned, some from you and some from other sources, including how to simply like an easy way on how to lay edges. Like, oh my god, if you know me, you know that laying edges is one of the hardest thing for me, but I learned a new way on how you can be able to lay your edges easily. So without any further ado, let me jump straight into styling this hair. So please, if you've not subscribed, this is the time that you subscribe. It's free of charge. Also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll always be notified. So without wasting more time, let's slide into the video. So this is the current situation with my hair. So the first thing I do is, using this Jolly comb, I partition my hair. And this is how I try to measure. Like, I want it to be straight at the mid part. I want it to be a mid part. So this is how I try to create a mid part. I place the Jolly comb at the middle part of my nose and then go in straight all the way to my hair and then partition it. And this is what I have so far. So I then went in and combed my hair. And then after that, I'm now going to apply this gel. This is Eco Styling Gel. It's very affordable. And then after that, I go in with this Jolly comb. And just comb the hair as I hold it using my hand to make it lay flat. So I'm going to continue doing this until the hair is well laid. So I'm satisfied with how so far the hair is actually looking. So I'm going to hold it using this hairband. Not extremely tight that it would hurt me, but tight enough. And this is how it's looking so far. Definitely looking good. I'm in love with how it's looking. Yeah, so this is how the hair is actually looking right now. I love it. So next I'm going to use this is a toothbrush that I don't use on my teeth. I just use it to lay my edges, and this is the easiest way I've found on how to lay my edges. Like, this is extremely easy. If you have problems with laying edges, like, just follow this. It's very easy. I'm just using a little bit of the gel that I was using, the Eco Styling Gel. Not too much, just a little bit of it. And I'm not taking down the long hair, the long strands of hair, just the tiny ones that couldn't be held. So this is how I do it. Like, it's extremely easy. Just follow this. If you have challenges with laying edges, this one will do it for you. Like, it's very easy. So just hold the hair using one finger and then just do like this. I don't know how this is called, so I do it like that. Just hold it and then just do it like that. Like, it's not it's very easy, like it's extremely easy. You can be able to do this if you have challenges with laying your edges. Like personally, I had a lot of challenges with laying edges, but with this one it's very easy. I'm now able to lay my edges, and look at how beautiful they are looking. Like extremely beautiful. I'm in love with how they were looking. I was struggling a lot. If you check the other video that I did with the Eco Styling Gel, you can see I was struggling. And look at how it's looking. Like, look at the difference between the done side and the undone side. So I'm just going to do the same on the other side. The exact same thing. This is very easy. If you are having challenges, just do this. It's very easy. So after that, I'm going to be using this got2b hair glue. And I'm going to spray a little bit on my finger. And then after that, I'm just going to apply on the areas where I laid my edges. And I'm being gentle because I don't want to spoil it. I don't want to spoil the edges. And another thing, I'm not applying a lot of product, because if I do, I'll be left with whites, and I don't want to be left with whites, like white residues, and I don't want the white residues. So I'm going to do the same on the other side, being very gentle. And then after that, I'm going to tie to just hold the edges. This is just to help the edges to lay well and to remain that way for a long time. And I'm going to use another one, like a second one. And this one is just going to cover the whole hair and just help it to lay and stay put for the longest time. So there is no specific way that you are supposed to do this. You can do it the way you just feel like. So I wanted to do it like this. So after this, you can leave it like that for maybe 20 minutes, 15 minutes, or maybe overnight if you're going to bed. Or if you are in a hurry, you can use a hair dryer to fasten the process. So I used a hair dryer because I was about to do a makeup tutorial after this. So after using that hair dryer, let's see what we have right now. And this is what we have currently. It's looking nice. Wow, it's looking really nice. The edges, this is at the back. This is how it's looking at the back. And now I'm going to add on an extension. And I'm just going to oil it up before I even use it, because it's just hair. You want to make it look shiny and not tangle a lot. And then after that, I'm going to pull some strands of hair from the extension to just make the extension look more natural. And before that, I was just combing it, and then so this is what I have so far. This is me with the extension. This is how it's looking. It's looking nice. And the edges, they're looking well laid. So I'm now going to do my makeup, and then I'll come back with the finished look. But definitely I'm loving everything, how it's looking, extremely affordable. And this is me with the makeup. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.